मैं मंच पे उपस्थित जितने हमारे अध्यापकगण हैं, भारतीय भाषा संस्थान से जो कलीग हैं और जो एनवीएस नोएडा हेडक्वार्टर से तथा जो एनएलआई पुरी से जो अधिकारीगण कर्मचारीगण जुड़े हुए हैं, उनका भी मैं बहुत बहुत अभिवादन तथा स्वागत करता हूं। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे जो डॉक्टर संजय कुमार बाग हैं, को कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं, उनसे कहूंगा कि इस 6 दिवसीय प्रोग्राम की रिपोर्ट उड़िया भाषा में पढ़कर सभी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत करें। डॉक्टर संजय, क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ सर, सुन पा रहा हूँ।
सर प्लीज सर, आप इस पूरे कार्यक्रम की रिपोर्ट पढ़ें सबके समक्ष। जी 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 सबके समक्ष इसकी रिपोर्ट पढ़ें उड़िया भाषा में।
थैंक यू सर। और समस्त को धन्यवाद। और गत 23 तारीख रु चली आसी
हेलो सर।
हाँ
पंकज सर।
संजय जी बोलिए।
क्या हुआ मैडम, बोली।
पंकज सर। पंकज सर।
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
मैडम बोलिए, क्या हुआ, बोल दीजिए ना, सुन तो रहे हैं। हेलो
Pankaj sir, I need your help, sir.
Madam, wait. I will help you, but let this program be over. संजय जी प्लीज रिपोर्ट करिए।
गत 23 तारीख जो चली आसीथिबा एही 6 दिनिया नवीकरण कर्मशाला आज समाप्त होगा जाउछि। एही कर्मशाला रे नवोदय विद्यालय समिति ओडिया भाषा साहित्यर 70 जन शिक्षक जे माने ओडिया भाषा को मातृभाषा सहित ओडिशा बाहरे द्वितीय और तृतीय भाषा भाव शिक्षा से माने अंशग्रहण करथिले। कर्मशालार उद्घाटनी अधिवेशन व्यतीत 20टी अधिवेशन रे शिक्षा, शिक्षण, परीक्षण और मूल्यांकन संपर्कित विभिन्न विषय रे ओडिया भाषा और साहित्य तथा शिक्षा संपर्कित विभिन्न प्रतिष्ठित विश्वविद्यालय, भारतीय वैषयिक संस्थान, आंचलिक शिक्षा प्रतिष्ठान तथा भारतीय भाषा संस्थान विशेषज्ञ माने व्याख्यान करथिले। प्रथम दिन व्याख्यान आरंभ होता टीचिंग, लर्निंग, टेस्टिंग एंड इवैल्यूएशन बा शिक्षा, शिक्षण, परीक्षण और मूल्यांकन साधारण अवधारणा। यहाँ पर यही दिन शिक्षकों आवश्यक मूल्यबोध, भाषा परीक्षण रे किपरि सूचना और जोगाजोग प्रजुक्ति विद्यार व्यवहार करा जाई परिबो से ऊपर व्याख्यान रही। द्वितीय दिन रे भाषा शिक्षार मौलिक दक्षता, भाषा शिक्षा कौशल, भाषा शिक्षादान प्रणाली एवं कौशल तथा ओडिया ध्वनि तत्व उपर आलोचना होता। तृतीय दिन रे रूपतत्व, शब्द गठन एवं
सर संजय सर आपका आवाज कट के आ रहा है।
हाँ, it is technical problem actually. I could do.
No, we are able to listen. सर कभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स का अपना नेटवर्क खराब हो जाता है जी।
तो तृतीय दिन रे रूपतत्व, शब्द गठन एवं विश्लेषण कला, वाक्य विज्ञान रो विभिन्न आयाम, शिक्षा संपर्कित साधारण वैज्ञानिक परिभाषा बा एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, भाषा शिक्षा रे प्राकृतिक भाषा प्रक्रियाकरण, सॉफ्टवेयर और कर्पोरेटर व्यवहार विषय आलोचना होता। चतुर्थ दिन में आम आलोचना करथिले भाषा श्रेणी परिचालना, गल्प और कवितार शिक्षा, शिक्षण, परीक्षण, मूल्यांकन उपरे एवं नूतन जातीय शिक्षा नीति को आधार करी विद्यालय शिक्षा रे आंचलिक भाषार भूमिका संपर्क। सेहीपरि पंचम दिन में ओडिशा, ओडिया साहित्य और संस्कृतिर विभिन्न दिग एवं शिक्षा, शिक्षण और मूल्यांकन आधारित शिक्षा परिभाषा उपरे आमर विशेषज्ञ माने व्याख्यान रखिथिले। बाकी अधिवेशन गुड़िक आईएफसी मार्किंग पद्धति, इनपुटिंग सिस्टम विषय रे आलोचना हेबा सहित प्रश्नावली प्रस्तुति पई अभ्यास करा जायतिला। एही अभ्यास रे हमारा अंशग्रहणकारी शिक्षक माने शताधिक प्रश्न प्रस्तुत करिसंती। एही कार्यक्रमटी मु भाबुची सफल भाବରେ परिचालित होई पाछि। तेबे ए संपर्क रे हमर अंशग्रहणकारी मत आम पई मूल्यवान। हमर अंशग्रहणकारी शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री को अनेक धन्यवाद, कारण सेमानकर उत्साह आग्रह योगदान बिना ए कार्यक्रम परिचालना कल्पना करा जाय नै पारे, तथा यार सुपरिचालना पाई डॉक्टर पंकज द्विवेदी तथा नेशनल टेस्टिंग एंड सर्विस विभाग समस्त कार्यकर्ता को मध्य मु धन्यवाद जणाउछि। समस्त को धन्यवाद। पंकज
जी संजय जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने इस समारोह की रिपोर्ट पढ़ के पढ़ाई। इस 6 दिवसीय कार्यशाला में अभी तक जो हमारे आदरणीय शिक्षक हैं, टीचर्स हैं, रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स हैं, उन्होंने अभी तक लगभग 700 क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी फीड कर चुके हैं, बना चुके हैं। और सबसे अच्छी बात इस 6 दिवसीय प्रोग्राम में जो मुझे देखने को मिली वो ये मिली कि लगातार मैं जैसे चैट मैसेजेस पढ़ रहा हूँ, उड़ीसा में बारिश हो रही है, नेटवर्क चला जा रहा है, कई ऐसे शिक्षक हैं जो दूर दराज क्षेत्रों में हैं और मोबाइल से क्वेश्चंस इनपुट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो मैं ये देखता हूँ कि आप लोग कितने डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स हैं, कितने अपने मतलब सीखने के लिए कितने ललायत हैं, और आपने कितने सारे प्रश्न पूछे। और जब कोई व्यक्ति प्रश्न पूछता है तो उसका एक ही मतलब है कि वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसके बारे में सीखना चाह रहा है। और सीखना क्यों चाह रहा है? क्योंकि वो अपने बच्चों को बेहतर से बेहतर टीचिंग देना चाहता है, अपने बच्चों को बेहतर से बेहतर कंटेंट देना चाहता है, अपने बच्चों को जो लैंग्वेज है, जो लिटरेचर है, अपने अपने रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड की, उसके बारे में से ज्यादा ज्ञान देना चाहता है। मैं देख के सरप्राइज था कि जब टेक्निकल सेशंस हो रहे थे डॉक्टर नारायण चौधरी के और आईसीटी के और भी जो टेक्निकल बातें आई, हमारे टीचर्स कितने माइन्यूट प्रश्न पूछ रहे थे। तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो सब कुछ सीख लेना चाहते हैं अपने बच्चों के भविष्य को संवारने हेतु। तो बहुत ही मतलब मैं टीचर्स की डेडिकेशन देख के मतलब कि हैरान था कि मतलब कि इस उम्र में, और ये जो कि ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है जो 6 दिन है और इतना इंटेंसिव है, सुबह से शाम तक बैठना और मैक्सिमम अटेंडेंस बनी रही, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग अपना लंच का टाइम कट करके, है ना, और शायद ब्रेकफास्ट जल्दी कर करके, और ये सारा एडजस्टमेंट करते हुए वो आए और उन्होंने प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया। तो रियली आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू, प्राउड ऑल ऑफ यू है। और तो थैंक यू सो मच। अब मैं ये चाहूंगा कि आप में से जो इतने पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, लगभग 65 लोग ऑनलाइन है सब मिला के, तो लगभग अगर 60-62 टीचर्स होंगे, अपना गूगल जो आपका हैंड आइकॉन है, जो लोग 2-3 शब्द कहना चाहते हो, 2-4 वाक्य कहना चाहते हो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में, या जो हमारे ट्रेनर्स आए उनके बारे में, जो अगर 1-2 लाइन कहना चाहते हो, फीडबैक देना चाहते हो, थैंक यू करना चाहते हो, तो CIL के अथॉरिटी भी ऑनलाइन है और NVS के अथॉरिटीज भी ऑनलाइन है, तो आए। लेकिन मैं देखिए ये बात, इसकी समय की सीमाओं को समझिएगा, रेस्ट्रिक्शंस को समझिएगा, कि हो सकता है कि बहुत सारे लोग हाथ उठा दें और हम सबको मौका ना दे पाए, क्योंकि सभी को मौका देना बहुत मुश्किल है, 60 लोग हैं, है ना। तो मैं कुछ लोग को जरूर एक एक करके बुलाऊंगा, और या तो मैं ये कहूंगा कि जो हमारे NVS हेडक्वार्टर से राजन जी जुड़े हुए हैं, राजन जी भी हैंड्स रेज देख रहे होंगे। सर आप इसमें से 3 पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एक एक करके बुलाइए, क्योंकि आपके ये टीचर्स हैं तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, ये फीडबैक देंगे या इसके बारे में जो भी अच्छा और जो कंस्ट्रक्टिव फीडबैक देंगे तो सुन के हमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। सर आप इनको चुनिए। और
I think that let them speak voluntarily. If they do not speak voluntarily,
actually one by one. There are too many hands raised. Now there are too many hands raised. So we have to invite the people. Otherwise, there will be unnecessary echo in the system. Let me choose. I can see some hands raised. Surya Narayan sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, please. We will be privileged if you have like say 2-3 lines about the programs. Have you failed? What have you learned? Explaining everything, sir. Please. It will be better if you can come online as well. Yes, sir. Please.
Thank you very much, sir. Actually, by late I just because of making questions, and that is why I became late. Good evening to everyone. Actually, this is a eye-open training. This training, actually, I am sir linguist. I have taken the linguistic as my subject in MA, and after I have passed it in 1998. After so many years, again everything has been evaluated myself by doing this training, and I have learned so many things and extra things also. And in this training program, it is a very very evaluative and very encouraging. When find out in so many new things I have experienced. Except it, I am giving very much thanks to the CIL and the NTS, and also our Samiti. They giving me opportunity to participate in this training course. And one thing I want to say, sir, request. It is a request that the last, what is the testing module which has been introduced yesterday, if it will be introduced before from the beginning of the meeting, then it will be very knowledgeable for us, and we can understand so many things from this. So many questions are coming, and we are clearing our doubts.
Yeah.
This much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Surya Narayan, sir. Thank you so much for your kind feedback. And the success of the training program is not, goes to the CIL or NTS or NVS Samiti. Success of the program goes to you all teachers, because you as a participants have done wonderful job. Sitting before the computer for 5-6 hours continuously is not an easy task. It's not an easy task. And given the fact, when you people you are engaged in other activities, of course, like you are all have house and children and so many things to look after. So success is all yours, dedication is all yours, and because of you participants, these kind of programs become successful, because of your cooperation and your insights. Now you said you have learned so many things. You know that these things have been taught to us by the teachers like you only. So we are just retelling you those things. So contribution is to other teachers, you teachers, the participants who came earlier, whether it is from NVS or any other colleges, but the teachers are teachers. So all dedication is yours, all appreciation is yours. Thank you so much for your kind feedback. And we'll take care of it. Madam, one by one, we'll take them out. Madam, we'll invite you. Madam, we'll invite you. ठीक है ना, we'll invite you. We will invite 1 or 2 more person, then we'll also invite you. Right, madam? Achha, madam, we'll invite you, right? We'll give you chance. We'll give you chance, madam. Now let me invite, whom shall I invite? Surya Narayan sir has spoken. I can see, okay, now let us invite some, Sudipta madam, can you hear me?
Sir.
Sudipta madam, yes, you want to say something, please?
Yes. Esteemed faculty, resource persons of CL and other respected teachers, very good afternoon to all of you. सर, जैसे कि कुछ पोर्शन हम लोग ने प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला, ये तो पहली बात है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। लेकिन कुछ प्रोग्राम्स जैसे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था और कुछ प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हम लोग नहीं जान पाए। स्पेशली कल भी मैंने कुछ प्रोग्राम्स नहीं देख पाए, तो अगर हो सके तो उसको सर, जैसे कि ये टेक्निक को अगर स्टेप वाइज हमें ग्रुप में भेज दीजिएगा तो हमें पता चल जाएगा। स्पेशली ये टेक्निक जैसे कि हमें कहाँ जाना है, एस्पेक्ट्स या फिर उसके बाद कहाँ है, वो सर थोड़ा स्टेप वाइज अगर भेज देंगे तो पंकज सर बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। टेक्निकल पोर्शन जो है वो क्लियर हो जाएगा। और बाकी जैसे सर क्वेश्चन पेपर रिगार्डिंग में थोड़ा सा कहूंगी, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन आइटम टाइप्स अभी हमारा अकॉर्डिंग टू एनईपी थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है। मैंने इसमें भेजा था जो कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, जैसे कि केस, सोर्स और जो भी हमारा जो क्राइटेरिया है उसके बारे में सर अगर हो सके तो थोड़ा स्टेप वाइज उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन देने से अच्छा रहेगा। उसमें सर हमारा जैसे अभी जैसे कि एग्जैक्ट ग्रामर नहीं दिया है, क्वेश्चन में दिया है रीजनिंग, तो वो चीज थोड़ा सा मैं क्लियर मतलब उसमें नहीं हो पाया। कल मैंने नहीं रह पाई क्योंकि कल का थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट था जो कि क्वेश्चन आइटम टाइप्स, और टाइप्स एंड देयर एप्लीकेशन ये वाला था। तो उसमें मैं चाहूंगी अकॉर्डिंग टू एनईपी हमारा लैंग्वेज में जो अभी हुआ है मतलब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है क्वेश्चन पैटर्न, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और इंफॉर्मेशन मिले तो अच्छा रहेगा। और बाकी सब बहुत अच्छा था, सभी को धन्यवाद।
जी
बहुत
सुदीप्ता मैडम, आपने बहुत अच्छा जो पॉइंट्स हैं वो रेस किए हैं। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आपने ये पॉइंट्स रेस किए। पहली बात जैसे आपने बोली कि कभी, क्योंकि मैंने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में ये बात बोली कि मैं देख रहा था कि हैवी रेन हो रही है और टीचर्स के पुअर नेटवर्क हैं तो लेक्चर्स छूट जा रहे हैं, है ना। ये तो कई बार लोग चैट में लिख रहे थे। तो ये बात मैं आप सभी को बता दूं कि ये पूरा प्रोग्राम इनॉग्रेल से लेके वैलिडेटरी तक ये पूरा रिकॉर्डेड मोड पे लेक्चर बाय लेक्चर आप सभी को मिलेगा with reading materials, all the slides, everything will be given to you। हम ये सारा प्रोग्राम रिकॉर्ड करके जितना लोगों ने एक्सपर्ट ने पीपीटीज दिया है या रीडिंग मटेरियल्स दिए हैं वो सारे के सारे आपको एक पूरा फोल्डर बना के आपके साथ शेयर किया जाएगा। तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपका कोई लेक्चर जो छूट गया है वो आप कभी फ्यूचर में, चाहे 10 दिन बाद, चाहे 15 दिन बाद या 2 साल बाद, उसको कभी भी आप देख सकते हैं। और केवल उतना ही नहीं, आपको जिस चैनल का लिंक दिया जाएगा तो कभी कभी क्या होता है जो आपके सेम प्रोग्राम दूसरी लैंग्वेज के लिए हुए हैं उसमें उसी सब्जेक्ट पे दूसरे एक्सपर्ट आके बोले हैं ना, सेम सब्जेक्ट पे दूसरे एक्सपर्ट आके बोले हैं, पंजाबी के लिए और मलयालम के लिए, अंग्रेजी में भी बोले हैं, हिंदी में भी बोले हैं। तो अगर आपको उसी लेक्चर में किसी दूसरे का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सुनना है तो आपको वो सारे लेक्चर का लिंक भी आपको दिया जाएगा। आप अपने कन्वीनियंस से दिन में, रात में, कभी भी आपको समय मिले, छुट्टी में, त्योहार में, आप वापस सारे लेक्चर कर सकती हैं। ठीक है, तो ये आप बिल्कुल इसकी चिंता मत करिए। दूसरी बात ये मैडम कि जैसे जो आपने एनईपी के अनुसार क्वेश्चन पैटर्न जो बनाया है, एनईपी बहुत अभी नया इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, अभी धीरे धीरे सिस्टम में भी चेंज आएगा, अभी धीरे धीरे सॉफ्टवेयर में चेंज लाने पे समय आता है। अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। फिर हमारे धीरे धीरे सॉफ्टवेयर में आएंगे और पूरा उसको हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे ये अभी कंबाइंड सॉफ्टवेयर है फ्रॉम, जैसे आपने देखा होगा ना, बेसिक एजुकेशन टू यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन, लेयर्स देखी होंगी, है ना, प्राइमरी लेवल, सारे लेवल। फिर उसको हमारा ये प्लान है कि इसको कस्टमाइज करके स्कूल लेवल को अलग कर देंगे, यूनिवर्सिटी को अलग कर देंगे, कॉलेज को अलग कर देंगे। तब एक क्या है, आप लोग को जो स्कूल टीचर्स हैं उनको फोकस्ड और प्रिसाइज सिस्टम मिलेगा, जो कॉलेज टीचर्स हैं उनको फोकस्ड और प्रिसाइज सिस्टम मिलेगा। लेकिन इन चीजों पे समय लगता है, धीरे धीरे, आपको पता है कि सिस्टम में धीरे धीरे बदलाव आता है ना, तो वैसे आएगा। बिल्कुल आपके बहुत अच्छे सजेशन रहे, थैंक यू सो मच सुदीप्ता मैडम। और आपको सारा मटेरियल, सारे वीडियो, सारे स्लाइड, सब कुछ मिलेगा। हम सारे टीचर्स को देते हैं, कोई टीचर छूटता नहीं सारे प्रोग्राम्स में, ताकि देयर इज सम टेक अवे, है ना। आपके पास रिसोर्स होना चाहिए। अगर पूरा प्रोग्राम में हुआ है, उस पर कुछ बजट लगा है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स लगा है, तो आप उसका एक कलेक्शन मिलना चाहिए। वी ऑलवेज शेयर इट। ठीक है सुनीता मैडम, थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू। अब वैसे मैं बुलाना किसी और को चाह रहा था, लेकिन अर्चना मैडम कुछ कहना चाह रही थी, तो मैं अर्चना मैडम से को इन्विटेशन देता हूँ। मैडम प्लीज आइए और अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करिए। और मैडम
एस्टीम रिसर्चफुल पर्सन जो हमें इतना शिक्षा दिए, हम बहुत कुछ जाने, जो चीज हमको जो टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान था, फिर हम लोग बहुत सीखे। मेरे ये कहना है, देखो मुझे ओनली एक संस्कृत के श्लोक को यहाँ पे याद रखना है, वो है जो एक में बोली, जो कि हमें कलेक्टिवली जो ये कर रहे हैं ना, उसका एक है, वो हमारा वेद का है। संगच्छध्वं संवदाध्वं संभमनांसि जानतं, संभमनांसि जानतं। समान मंत्र समिति समानी, समान मान सहनावतु। Means we work together, talk together, our ambition by purpose must be one, and then we'll be successful. Okay sir, ये मेरा बोलने का था।
थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू सो मच। इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल श्लोक इन योर ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस एज वेल। आप अगर इसका मीनिंग भी बताती तो हमको और अच्छा लगता।
नहीं, वो तो बोले ना, मैंने समगच्छतु मींस we work together, we talk together, we अगर जो our purpose is same, and we lead a very common ambition, that our ambition by our लक्ष्य जो है ना will be successful, and we live in a happy life.
Very good, very good. Madam, you have raised a very important point. I think we all should remember it. ठीक है ना, कि we should always work together. ठीक है ना. अब जैसे जैसे आपने जिससे बोला कि ये प्रोग्राम को CIL को धन्यवाद है, NTS को, NVS समिति को धन्यवाद है, लेकिन actually वास्तव में it is appreciation for all of us and mostly for you teacher, because you people have worked together, and this is why whenever there is a success, it all goes to the collective efforts. So thank you so much, madam, for bringing out such an important words from our Vedas, holy Vedas, and I'm sure that the teachers like you, those who are also expert in the Sanskrit, will keep bringing this knowledge from the ancient text and will keep sharing it with all. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you. अब मैं दो लोगों को और बुलाऊंगा. हाँ, तभी भी कई सारे हैं. एक प्रदीप सर काफी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं. प्रदीप सर, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, if you want to say something, please share your views, sir, please.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, all of you, sir. पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो हमारे नवोदय विद्यालय समिति के तरफ से जो हम लोग को 6 दिन का जो ट्रेनिंग मिला, तो इसमें हम तमाम हमारे नवोदय विद्यालय समिति के तमाम अधिकारी लोगों को हम धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं. इसके अलावा सर, NTS के टीम, खास करके आपका जो टकिंग मोड था सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा सर. आपका, संजय सर का और तमाम NTS के जितने भी तमाम लोग थे, खाली आप नहीं, और CIL के तमाम अधिकारी लोग और जितने भी होस्ट आए हुए थे, खास करके जो पंचानन महांती सर,
प्रदीप सर का शायद वॉइस मैं नहीं सुन पा रहा हूँ कि आप सभी नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं. शायद
नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं,
नहीं सुन पा रहे, शायद नेटवर्क जैम हो रहा है.
नेटवर्क सर कट हो गया है.
हाँ जी, जी, कोई बात नहीं, होता है सभी के साथ. हम सभी लोग इतने दिनों से ऑनलाइन काम कर रहे हैं कि हमको ये पता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम कॉमन हो गई है. तो हाँ, प्रॉब्लम कॉमन हो गई है, तो कोई बात नहीं. अब हम एक दिलीप सर का हाथ उठा हुआ है. दिलीप सर, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, if you want to say something, please share your view, sir.
Sir, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Respected Rajan sir, the Deputy Commissioner who is in charge of training in headquarter level, and respected resource persons, and all the respected fellow teachers or my friends. Sir, actually that training program was very good, and in my last 20 years career, I have come across the training like this for the first time. I have never experienced or never given any training for the last 2 decades. So already I have the most of my part is already over. The training, my teaching job is over. But this training, for the first time I have come across like this. But one, don't take, sir, otherwise. I want to give one suggestion,
please,
sir,
please.
that resource person like Panchanan sir and other subject experts. So their training, their session should be little bit more. It would have been very better, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, 1 or 2 sessions, it would have been better for us. So otherwise, it is very good, and we learned many things.
Yeah.
And I assure you, we'll definitely use it for this betterment of the children.
Ji.
Thank you, sir.
Ji. Dilip sir, thank you so much. Actually, I also want to get as many resource persons like Panchanan Mohanty sir, as many I can. But I told you on the first day that Professor Panchanan Mohanty is like one among the 1,000 persons. Na? One among, everybody cannot become professor like Professor Panchanan Mohanty. Not possible, you know. If there is only one DM in the entire district magistrate. ठीक है ना? Not everybody can become an IAS officer. ठीक है ना? So you know that, you know. So yes, we'll try to get as many professors as like Professor Panchanand Mohanty, and this is why, you know, whenever we conduct these training programs, we contact the teacher, you know, professors from IIT, NITs, and central universities, those who have years of experience. But everybody cannot be like Professor Panchanand Mohanty. You people are lucky that he came to your program. I had to convince him a lot. Please, Professor, come and you give us a session. And I also gave him the last session so that he can teach as long as he wants. He wanted to teach in the first session, but I said, you know, sir, you please have to take the last session so that you can extend your teaching time. So these are the limitations. Now, these are the limitations, right, sir? So yeah, so but we'll try to get as many experienced teacher as Panchanand Mohanty. And thank you so much. Panchanand Mohanty, Professor Panchanand Mohanty is an integral part of our all programs. Whenever CIL, you know, organizes program, Professor Panchanand Mohanty is always a part of it, because we know how good he is as a in his teaching and how wonderful he what a wonderful scholar he is. So you know, you should all be very happy. You should all be very happy, and we keep organizing these training programs for other languages and in general as well, where Professor Panchanand Mohanty is invited and he delivers talks on different topics: phonetics and phonology, language education, NLP, everything. So I can share information with you on your group, and if you want to listen to him, then you can. You are more than welcome, right? And you will always have an opportunity to learn from him. Now there are two.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I can see now three more hands, but I will invite only two. Otherwise, we'll keep, you know, we'll keep taking the feedback. Balram sir, Balram sir.
Sir.
Sir, please, sir, you share your view, sir.
Respected NTS.
Balram sir, you can speak in Odia, English, Hindi, whatever you like, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Respected NTS teachers and respected Sanjay Bhai and Pankaj Bhai, and what I want to tell, Pankaj ye Pradeep sir has already told, but one more thing I want to add is that more and more resource persons from Odisha, they should come to this program. It will be more effective for us. And what I want to say is that what Pradeep sir has already told, Panchanand sir and Basant sir, their classes, they should have more classes. Then it will be more effective for us.
Correct,
yes.
Sir. Yes,
only these things I want to say.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback. But you know, it's impossible to, you know, convince Professor Panchanand Mohanty to take more than one class. He is very busy. I had to call him 20 times to get, you know, to get his appointment.
Basant sir's class was also one more class.
Very good.
Basant sir at all needed.
Yeah. We should have given him more classes. That you are saying correct, and we should invite, you know, more and more experienced people. Yeah.
I think except people from Bengal and people for other languages, more and more people, resource persons should come from Odisha, and they will then it will be very effective for us, I think. Effective.
Yeah. Correct, sir. Sir, we try to get as many, you know, resource persons from Odisha. You know, some people were also from Odisha, but they chose to speak in English. So you must have seen that the people were Odia, but they wanted to teach in English. But we are, you know, we are just, you know, pressing them to speak in Odia as much as possible. But we should definitely, you rightly said, you know, this is a regional training program, and we should conduct more and more classes in the regional language itself. So that is a very good suggestion. That is a very good suggestion. Thank you. Now, Alka madam has been waiting for long. Alka madam, please. Alka
Thank
madam.
You, sir. Thank you, sir.
Alka
Thank
madam,
you, sir.
Yes, madam.
Honorable Sanjay sir, Rajan sir, Pankaj sir, and my dear learned colleagues, from the beginning till the end, the session was very much interesting, and actually it was a hectic for us because from 10:30 till 1:15, 1:30, and again from 2:15 to 32 up to 5:45, 5:30, like this. But we learn a lot from all the resource persons, and especially Pankaj sir, Sanjay sir, Rajan sir. Thanks from on behalf of all my colleagues to you all, to your team all, because you all have taken a lot of pain to call all the experts in front of us to make this program a grand success. And already my colleagues has already expressed their views regarding the preparation of question and the speaking style and elaboration style of all the professors. Only same request I want to keep in front of you, that yesterday only you have assigned us to prepare the questions, but if before 2 or 3 days, if you assign us, then we will take more interest towards this. Only on behalf of all my colleagues, I assure you that, sir, which platform you already showed to us, in future, definitely with that same spirit, with that same courage, we will do all our assigned homeworks and submit it in time. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your guideline, Sanjay sir, Pankaj sir, Rajan sir, and all the teams of CI SIL. So it is lastly only I will tell that if possible, please sir, that group, WhatsApp group which you have created already, don't delete sir, because you will show the platform to us and we will follow you, and all the assigned duties we will try our best to perform. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Alka madam, for such a nice view and your suggestions. And what Archana madam was saying, you have also emphasized upon it, that we should be together. Somebody has also written on WhatsApp group that please don't remove this group. We want to be together. So your views are, very much in sync with the views of other teachers. And don't worry about the question items about finishing it. We are going to keep the link open for next 1 week. So, you can gradually, whenever you get the time, you can, input the question items. So don't worry, sir. Don't worry, madam. Don't worry. We will all cooperate with you, not only now, in the future as well. If you need to attend any other training programs, if you want any help regarding the, teaching of script, teaching of phonetics and phonology, and so many other things, about language and literature, you are always welcome to join us. We'll always be happy to collaborate with you. And it is not like that we are going to help you. We are going to cooperate and collaborate with you. So we will work together. We will work together. So thank you so much, Alka madam, for your wonderful views. Thank you so much. And now I think now there is only one person left. Naresh sir, I think I can see his hand raised. So after that, we'll give this, stage to Rajan sir from NVS headquarters. But before that, I should go back to Naresh Patel sir. Sir, can you hear me? Naresh Patel sir, can you hear me? Yes, I think his icon has just clicked. No, again. I think probably he has a poor connection, perhaps. Now may I please move to the next stage of the program. I would like to, Rajan sir, I would be grateful, will be privileged if you provide your comments regarding the training program, and then we'll end this, we'll get this session with the due thanks. Rajan sir, over to you, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Pankaj Divekji. Respected coordinator Sri Pankaj Divekji, and respected Dr. Sanjay Kumar Bag and other resource persons and my dear friends. I was observing the feedback. I was hearing the feedback which you have given in this platform. It brings me a lot of happiness and pleasure also to see that our teachers have got a good and a better and the best training, which helped them to improve their teaching learning process. So your words shows that how the training programs organized by the CIL, for which I am expressing my sincere gratitude to the course coordinator Sri Pankaj Divekji. Now, one or two things I would like to impress each and every one of you. Dear friends, you know that why we conduct this many training courses. I'm getting some corner that now we are flooded with so many courses, so many trainings. You are also, sometimes the trainings may be overlapping also. See, you know that NEP 2020 demands 50 hours of CPD, that is continuous professional development for all teachers in every year. That is very important. And I think that these third language teachers are normally getting less number of the training when compared to other teachers. So we have decided, and we have decided to give training for the all third language teachers of our JNVs. So this process was started quite a few years ago. Now we have what is continuing this, and we have now this year we have project Punjabi, Odi, and Assamese and Urdu. And after that, this will be extended to other languages also. So this is the one of the reasons. And moreover, you know that NEP 2020 actually visualize the power of language and multilingualism. It is not much surprise for us because we have been practicing what the NEP says since the inception. You know that it clearly states that the children up to the class 8 should be taught in a home language or mother tongue. And then our teachers should be encouraged to use the bilingual. So these are happening in our Vidyalayas. Okay, that we teach the children up to 8th class mother tongue, whatever it may be, mother tongue, Malayalam, Kannada, Oriya. Then after that, we'll be slowly shifting to the children to the English. That means up to the class 8, they will be getting enough knowledge how to use the English. Okay, till then we use this. And another one is also, we know that the language should be this training program. I am sure that you might have got how to teach the language in enjoyable and interactive styles in the classrooms. From your words, I could see that, I could understand that you have learned a lot how to teach the language in the classrooms in a better way. And it brings a quite pleasure to us. Likewise, we have also introduced a 3-language formula as NEP 2020. Okay, my request is to each and every one of you is that now sometimes some of you are in the home states, some of you are in the other non-Hindi speaking, Hindi speaking states or some other states where your language are not spoken. Here you can see that, you know that Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, which helps the students to learn the different languages. So we have got a migration link. So you please do all the activities, the language activities through the programs, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. That is my humble request. And beside this, another my request is also there. We have already started a program called Social Emotional Learning to the teachers of the Bhopal region. That in collaboration with the UNESCO MGIEP. So this also is one of the best course which you can help, because my dear friends, you are all very lucky now because we are getting a lot of trainings which definitely help us to improve our professional growth. Not only the professional growth, our personality, our individuality and personality and our thoughts also, we can think in different way also. And on behalf of the NVS side, on behalf of the Joint Commissioner, who is the real Sri Gyanendra-ji, who is the real mastermind of this kind of trainings, and he is very much interested to develop our teachers in professionally better than the others. So that on behalf of, I express my sincere gratitude to him first, to give such a kind of opportunity to the teachers of Navodaya Vidyalaya. And second, then I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Sri Pankaj Dwivedi, who happily and readily accepted our proposal. without any, what is it, a second thought. So on behalf of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, I express my sincere gratitude to you. And also I thanks each and every one of you. And I hope that let us work together and let us improve our system. Okay, thank you. Over to Pankaj Divej, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind views. And I'm sure that the teachers are going to, keep your suggestions, your pieces of advice, and your views in the mind while, actually implementing the learning of these training programs in their actual teaching and in their classroom. So thank you so much for your kind feedback. And one more very important point you raised about the Ek Bharat and Shresth Bharat. And probably it is the very beginning of it, but we all know that how important role these teachers are, going to play, with the implementation of NEP 2020, and thereby, going to implement what we call unity in the diversity. Right, unity in the diversity. So we are going to be benefited by your views a lot. Thank you so much for bringing them into our attention. Now it is time. Now whatever important has already been said, and we have received the feedback of the teachers. Now it is time to thank the authorities and the people, and those who are actually real brains behind it. So one by one, I would like to take the names of the people and would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to them. So in this connection, first of all, I would like to provide my humble thanks, my sincere thanks to NVR's Commissioner, Shri Vinayak Garg Sahab, who has given his kind patronage to all the training programs. And thereafter, I would also like to thank the CIL director, Professor Dr. Shailen Mohan Sahab, and who so readily, said yes and has given me, permission to coordinate all these programs. And he also promised that he would provide all necessary facilities or the logistics for the successful conduct of the programs. And thereafter, like Rajan sir rightly said, the brain behind the training programs is our respected Joint Commissioner Shri Gyanendra ji, and we have been collaborating, we have been communicating, we have been associating with one another for more than 1.5 years in the design and on the design part and the implementation part of this training program. So my sincere thanks also goes to him. And thereafter, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Professor P.R. Dharmesh Fernandes, Head Center for Testing and Evaluation. He's also Deputy Director at the CIL. In CIL, the Deputy Director is at least Joint Secretary level, and the Director is at the Additional Secretary level. So he is very senior person, but he has taken very personal interest into our programs. And every day, in the end of the day, he will ask about Pankaj ji, what happened, what was the feedback of the training, was there some problem, please let me know. I just want to there should not be any problem to the trainees. So he has been so kind in giving his guidance and help in the conduct of this training program. And also the man of the very respected person, very hardworking person, and our assistant commissioner, our deputy commissioner Shri N.P. Rajan ji. And we have been communicating, sometimes we have been agreeing, we disagreeing with each other, just so that these programs, all of them, not only this program, all of these programs can become successful. Rajan sir, thank you so much for your kind views, your kind help and kind guidance during the organization of this training program. And without you, this program would never have been a success. So thank you so much in person. And thereafter, I would also like to express my sincere thanks to Deputy Commissioner of NLI Puri, Kushum Kumari Madam, and she has also been, a very deriving force behind all this. So she may not be present on the occasion, but she has done a lot of background work. So my thanks also goes to her. Thereafter, my very sincere and very friendly thanks as well goes to Dr. Sanjay Kumar Bagh sir. He is from our ERLC Bhubaneswar, and somebody rightly said ki bade bhai Sanjay Kumar Bagh sir. He is also my senior, and for last 1 month I just made a request to him, sir, we are going to conduct a program for the Odia language teachers, and he so happily, so readily accepted our proposal and has provided all the guidance, all the inputs, and he deserves a lot of credit. And I think the best part is that he's based in the Bhubaneswar only. So if you teacher ever need any help in person regarding your subject or teaching, he is always approachable. Yeah, you can always go and meet him in person, or you can also invite him, to your schools and colleges, and he can guide you further. Sanjay sir, thank you so much. You have been very important in the execution and implementation of this program. And thereafter, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the resource person, and especially to Professor Panchanand Mohanty, Dr. B.K. Panda Sahab, and there are many. I cannot take everybody's name, but these are the real people who played the most important part, that is teaching. Like you teacher, play the teacher's part in your school, and thereafter your students learn. Their precious valuable time, which could have been very difficult for them to take out from their busy schedule, but they still did it. So my sincere thanks go to all the resource persons who so kindly provided their precious time. Thereafter, I would also like to express my sincere thanks to my NTS team, the technical, as well as there would be other teams who would be taking care of many things. So in my academic team, Dr. Viresh Kumar ji, then Dr. Shakuntala madam, and then my NTS technical team, Amit ji, and NC, Raghavan and Kashyap, and there would be other people from the account and audit sections who would be providing their input, so that not only this program, the paperwork also gets complete, because every before the beginning and end of the program, there is also always a trail of the paper. So these people will finish it formally. So my thanks are also goes to them. And the main thanks and the most humble and the sincere and thanks to you all teachers. Whatever training programs whatever the good qualities in the training programs you have seen, it is because of you teachers. Maybe you are here as a participant, but the teachers as a community, and whatever I am today, whatever Sanjay sir is today, or anybody is today, is because of their teachers only. So my मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़ के आप सभी लोग को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि इतने सारे खराब मौसम के बावजूद, टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस के बावजूद, आप सभी ने इतने पेशेंसली, इतने ध्यान से और इतनी मेहनत से और अपने जो पर्सनल समय निकाल के ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को अटेंड किया। आपके कोऑपरेशन के बिना, आपके सहयोग के बिना ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता। सो मैं हाथ जोड़ के आप सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, और ये आशा करता हूं कि भविष्य में भी हम और भी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स में जरूर मिलेंगे और एक दूसरे से काफी कुछ सीखेंगे। और आप लोगों ने इतने अच्छे अच्छे सवाल पूछे, जिससे मुझे काफी नई चीजें पता चली। आप सभी का सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कोई प्रोग्राम में कोई कमी रह गई हो तो वो सारी मेरी है, और अगर प्रोग्राम में कोई अच्छी क्वालिटी है, कोई अच्छी चीज सीखी, तो ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू रिसोर्स पर्संस, NVS authorities, CIL authorities, and you teachers. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much from our favor. Thank you all from Jan